Uh, Dear participant, thank you for joining this workshop. So on modeling individual component as a whole, and also the individual components, and with a large share of variable renewable energy. So today we will do the first part of the workshop dedicated to PV system modeling, and I will first introduce quickly the TwInSolar project, and after I will present the speaker, and I will end by giving the floor to Sergio, so that will lead the workshop. So first, so the TwInSolar project, so it's a project funded by the European Union under the Horizon Europe program. So it focuses on solar energy production in La Réunion and in other insular territories with a goal of massive integration of this solar energy. So it's a collaboration, a close collaboration between DTU, Fraunhofer ISE, CPMR, that is a groupment, an association that gathers maritime territories and mainly islands. Nexa, that is the Innovation Agency of La Réunion, and the University of La Réunion, where I belong. And we plan a large communication and dissemination toward the research and innovation actors in the field of energy. So this is why we invited all of us to participate to this workshop. So today, so it's the first day of the workshop dedicating to PV system modeling, and today you will have a second session on renewable hybrid power plants, and it will also be exactly at the same hour slot, time slot in the afternoon for Réunion Island, in the middle of the day for Europe. So the speaker will be Sergio Spataru. So he's an associate professor at the DTU of the Department of Electrical and Photonic Engineering. So its current research focus is on solar PV engineering, on PV performance modeling of standalone PV products, diagnostic imaging, and drone inspection of PV systems. So he will propose you a complete training on PV modeling.